Oh, hi YouTube. Hi. I have a problem with you. Haha. Can you guess what it's about? I'll give you a hint. It's about the wolves. So, people have been saying in furry news recently that Odin Wolf has been banned. They've also been saying that Sniper Wolf has not been banned. As the people are saying, I'm going to say it too. You banned the wrong wolf. Odin Wolf was following community guidelines. Alright. And that's good. That's great. He did fine. He wasn't doing anything. That was his job. Alright. And yet you defend a literal criminal. Why do you think that it's appropriate to just simply cease monetization for someone who literally doxed someone who committed a crime and has committed crimes in the past and is stealing content too? And yet you terminate 2 channels that were doing absolutely nothing wrong. Odin Wolf did nothing against community guidelines. You know who did? Sniper Wolf. Against your community guidelines is doxing, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, what happened there? Is it money? Favoritism? Perhaps a bit of both? At YouTube, stop playing favorites.